This week, Betsy asks, Anna, what can I do for loose skin under my chin? Betsy, you have a few options in both the non-invasive and invasive categories. And depending on how much loose, lax skin we're talking about, will help determine which would be the best option for you. Cool Sculpting just got FDA cleared for tightening the lax skin underneath the chin area. That's gonna be great because it's gonna have really little downtime, but it may require a couple of treatments. In the invasive category, we have surgery. I would recommend meeting with a board-certified plastic surgeon, perhaps Dr. Collins, where we can discuss excising of the skin, which is a more permanent, long-lasting result, but will have a little bit more downtime. Betsy, I hope this answers your question, and we look forward to seeing you for our consult soon.